What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with a quick video. So I'm using spot putty, and then I'm going to end up using Bondo, the body filler, because I ran out of my Bondo spot putty, and I have to fill this stepping right here. It didn't glue together the way I hoped it would, or should have, the way I should have, so screwed that up. I'm using this to spread the Bondo. It's really cool. If you have any kind of, not any kind of, but if you have exercise mats, it comes with this little edge. And when you're done with one, just rip off another and use that. And it works great. You don't have to use plastic or popsicle sticks or anything. And this eventually gets thrown away anyway. So yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna finish it up tomorrow and then sand on Monday and then start painting, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.